Hello student, in this video we are discuss about the circle command in AutoCAD, its MCQ questions and answers. First question is, what is the shortcut key for circle command? Option A L, option B C, option C REC, option D A. Answer is B C enter. C enter is a shortcut key for circle command. Question number 2. Which command is used to draw circle in AutoCAD? A. Arc, B. Circle, C. Polygon, D. Offset. Answer is B. Circle. In AutoCAD, we draw a circle by using the circle command. Question number 3. How many default methods are available in circle command? Option A 2, option B 4, option C 6, option D 8. Answer is C 6. In the AutoCAD, we draw the circle by 6 circle command method. Question number 4. Which method draw a circle using center point and radius? Option A 2P. 2P means 2 point. Option B TTR. TTR means tan radius. Option C center radius. Option D 3P means 3 point. Answer is C center and radius. You can draw a circle using center point and radius using center and radius option in circle command. Option Question number 5. Which option draw a circle using the diameter? Option A radius, option B diameter, option C tangent, option D trim. Option Answer is B diameter. You draw the circle using radius and diameter, but in this question draw a circle using diameter means answer is B diameter. Question number 6. Which option uses 2 point to define a circle? Option A 2P, option B 3P, option C TTR, option D center. Answer is A 2P. Question number 7. Which option uses 3 point on circumference? A diameter, B 3P, option C radius, option D arc. Answer B 3.3P. Question number 8. What does TTR stands for? A trim tangent radius, B tangent radius, option C 2 tangent radius, D tangent trim rotate. Answer is B tangent radius, which means TTR. Question number 9. Which option create a circle tangent to 2 points? Option A 2P, option B diameter, option C TTR, option D 3P. Answer is C TTR. By using TTR command, we create circle tangent to the two objects. Question number 10. Which option create a circle tangent to 3 object? Option A tan, option B TTR, option C 2P, option D radius. Answer is A tan means tangent. We use this command tan, a circle tangent to the three object. Question number 11. What is the required after selecting the center point? While circle command using A. Line length, B. Radius or diameter, option C. Offset distance, option D. Angle. Answer is B. Radius or diameter. You draw the circle using radius or diameter after selecting the center point. Question number 12. What is the full form command name? Question number 12. What is the full command name? A. CIRC, option B. CIRCLE, option C. CIR, option D. CRC. Answer is B. Circle. Means CIRCLE. This is the full command name of circle. Question number 12. Which method is best when circle known is? Question number 13. Which method is best when the circle size is known? A. Center radius, B. 3P, option C. TTR, option D. 2P. Answer is center radius. Question number 14. Which method uses the endpoints as a diameter? A. Diameter, B. 2 point, C. 3 point, D. TTR. Answer is B. 2 point. Question number 15. Which command can modify a existing circle? B. Trim, B. Move, C. Offset, D. All of the above. Answer is all of above. By using trim, move, offset command, we can modify the existing circle. Question number 16 is, a circle is a, option A, open object, option B, closed object, option C, polyline, and option D, text object. Answer is B. Closed object. Circle is a closed object. Question number 17. Which property define the circle size? A. Radius, B. Layer, C. Angle, D. Scale. Answer is A. Radius. Radius property define the circle size. Question number 18. Diameter is equal to A. Radius by 2, B. Radius into 2, C. Radius into 3, D. Radius square. Answer is B. Radius into 2. Question number 19. Radius is equal to A. Diameter divided by 2, B. Diameter into 2, C. Diameter into 3, option D. Diameter square. Answer is A. Diameter divided by 2. Question number 20. Which object type is created by circle command? A. Arc, B. Circle, C. Ellipse, D. Region. Answer is B. Circle. Question number 21. Which command trims a circle portion? A. Extend, B. Trim, C. Copy, D. Scale. Answer is B. Trim. Question number 22. Which command create a concentric circle? A. Offset, B. Stretch, C. Rotate, D. Break. Answer is A. Offset. Question number 23. Which snap help select the center of the circle? A. Endpoint, B. Midpoint, C. Center, D. Quadrant. Answer is C. Center. Question number 24. Which snap select top, bottom, left and right point? A. Center. C. Quadrant. C. Intersection. D. Tangent. Answer is B.